Have you ever noticed a spiral in a seashell or the pattern of seeds in a sunflower and wondered why it looks so perfectly arranged? The answer often lies in something called the Fibonacci sequence, one of the most fascinating and widely known patterns in mathematics. The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two numbers before it. The sequence starts with 0 and 1. Let's walk through the first few numbers. Start with 0 and 1. Add them together. You get 1. Then add the last two numbers, 1 and 1, to get 2. Add 1 and 2, and you get 3. Keep going and you'll see 5, 8, 13, 21, and so on. This process continues forever. The rule is simple. Each Fibonacci number equals the sum of the previous two. But this simple rule creates something incredible. Why is this sequence so famous? Because it appears in so many unexpected places, in nature, art, architecture, and even technology. Take the center of a sunflower. The seeds grow in spirals that match Fibonacci numbers, allowing the plant to pack the most seeds possible without wasting space. Pine cones, pineapples, and even hurricanes show similar spiral patterns that follow Fibonacci numbers. It's nature's way of organizing things efficiently. The sequence is named after Leonardo of Pisa, known as Fibonacci, who introduced it to Europe in the 13th century. He used it to solve a math problem about how rabbit populations grow under ideal conditions. If you start with one pair of rabbits, and each pair produces a new pair every month starting from their second month of life, the number of rabbit pairs follows the Fibonacci sequence. Here's where it gets even more amazing. The Fibonacci sequence is closely connected to the golden ratio, about 1.618. If you divide a Fibonacci number by the one before it, you get a number close to the golden ratio, and the further you go, the closer it gets. The golden ratio is often used in art and design because it creates visually pleasing proportions. You'll see it in famous buildings like the Parthenon, and in works by artists like Leonardo da Vinci. In nature, the spiral of seashells matches the proportions of the golden ratio, giving them that natural beauty and balance. In the digital world, Fibonacci numbers are used in computer algorithms, database design, and even search methods, like the Fibonacci search algorithm, which finds items quickly in sorted data. Some traders use Fibonacci retracement levels to predict stock price movements, although this use is more about human psychology than strict mathematics. You can even make art using Fibonacci numbers. By arranging squares with side lengths equal to Fibonacci numbers, you can draw a spiral that appears in flowers, shells, and galaxies. Let's review what we've learned. The Fibonacci sequence starts with 0 and 1. Each new number is the sum of the two before it. It appears in nature, art, architecture, and technology. It's linked to the golden ratio, a number that appears in beautiful designs. The Fibonacci sequence is more than just math on paper. It's a universal pattern, a hidden code that shapes the world around us. If you enjoyed this explanation, like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow math and science videos.